Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. Before I start with the video, I would like to request you to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel. That will be a great support for me and an encouragement for me to make more videos like this. Okay, now about the video. You see here 3 Areca palms kept in a small earthen pot. In fact, it's a cooking pot, and the palms have been in this for the last 5 years. The first one which I planted in the earthen pot was separated from the bigger, larger, taller Areca palm that you may see later in this video. It's an offshoot of that. I just cut it off from that and planted in this small earthen pot. The larger palm is about 15 years old, and it has grown to a height taller than my roof, and the crown of that is a little difficult in the daytime to be videographed from the ground. That is the balcony floor that I'm shooting this video from. The taller palm has been kept in a polythene bag. That's a used one in which came store-bought rice. I had to do that because the root ball of the palm grows so large that it breaks ordinary pots, and the polythene bag supports it for at least 2 to 3 years, after which I take it out, prune the roots and keep it back in a new bag, grow bag. This year the temperature soared too high, that's over 50 degrees Celsius, and most of the leaves of the larger palm have been burnt, and some of them were cut off, and the remaining ones you can see in the video. The 3 palms in the smaller earthen pot have not been reported for some time. I mean, since they were potted in the new home. I didn't even manure them because it's difficult to take out from the earthen pot, the mouth of which is very small compared to the body of it. Now to break it and take it out and to put it in a newer pot or in a grow bag. Interestingly, the word Areca is generally and popularly used for the Areca nut palm, that is the Areca catechu, that is grown by farmers and plantations to produce Areca nut or betel nut, which is used for chewing with the betel leaf and other ingredients for making pan. It has been planted in larger farms, and they produce a lot of betel nut, which are traded for various purposes, including for religious ceremonies. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment